Imagine planning your estate and wanting to ensure your spouse is well cared for, no matter what. But what if a will leaves them out, either accidentally or on purpose? It is a real concern for many families. Yes, in most states, the concept of an elective share is specifically designed to prevent a surviving spouse from being completely disinherited. It acts as a vital legal safety net. An elective share is a legal right that allows a surviving spouse to claim a certain portion of their deceased spouse's estate, even if the will or other estate planning documents leave them little to nothing. The primary purpose of this law is to protect spouses from financial hardship and ensure they receive a fair share of assets accumulated during the marriage. This legal protection acknowledges the marital partnership and contribution of each spouse to the family's overall financial well-being. It is a fundamental principle in estate law across many jurisdictions. The specific percentage of the estate a spouse can claim varies significantly by state law and often depends on factors like the length of the marriage. If a spouse decides to exercise this right, they must typically make a formal election with the probate court within a specific time frame after their spouse's death. This usually involves filing a petition or notice of election. The elective share is calculated based on what is called the augmented estate, which can include not only assets held solely by the deceased but also certain non-probate assets like jointly held property or assets transferred to a trust. Understanding these details often requires guidance from a qualified legal professional. This legal safeguard means that even if a will attempts to leave a spouse nothing, state law steps in to guarantee a financial floor. For example, some states may grant a surviving spouse 1/3 or even 1/2 of the augmented estate. This right overrides the terms of the will to ensure basic fairness. It highlights a critical distinction between a testator's desire and the legal protections afforded to spouses. Properly planning your estate means understanding these inherent spousal rights and building them into your overall strategy to avoid unintended consequences and legal challenges. Ultimately, the elective share provides crucial financial security for a surviving spouse, ensuring they are not left without resources. While it serves as a powerful protection against disinheritance, clear and comprehensive estate planning is always the best approach. Knowing about the elective share empowers you to proactively plan your legacy, creating a will that reflects your true intentions while respecting spousal rights and avoiding future disputes.